answer. All these answers are in digestive system. We have a path. We have 23 feet of gut, right? 23 feet is quite long. It is almost a big hall. So much of long gut. Stomach doesn't allow to process the food in very big particles or very big chunks to the duodenum. The gastric emptying won't occur till your food is not churned properly, right? So it's like saying that unless and until we have a proper requirements, we don't allow them to design it. Otherwise, whole design is to be changed. We don't allow them to develop the system. So here stomach doesn't allow, but stomach has a limited time. Stomach doesn't allow it to keep that food for a long time. As a result of it, what does stomach does? Stomach will secrete more and more acid, because stomach comes to know this particular molecule of material cannot be broken with small amount of acid. You won't believe, in the stomach, if you really get the acid and if you put your finger, it will get burnt. Now, if you don't chew it properly, the stomach will actually cause acidity. The best example is, if you eat something which is very heavy fat and lipases, they are not able to break it, stomach will increase the acidity. Similarly, if you drink lot of salt, it will again cause acidity. It will immediately cause the vomiting sensation. If you eat, for example, something which is non-edible, if you eat non-edible things, it will immediately increase the acidity. Why? Because stomach cannot allow it to a certain extent. But once stomach has crossed certain amount of time, the stomach gastric emptying occurs. Okay. So ultimately then stomach will not think about it. So that is a cycle it has. So it is better to chew it properly so that minimum acidity should be there. So that is the key answer.